guys, this 296 GTS is completed, and for the rest of this video I'm going to take you on a walk around and show you the final work that we have on here. And since we're on the side, let's start with the window tint. What this owner chose is IRD 45%, which is a very popular mid-tone shade within the Spectra Photosync line. And for this car, I think it's a perfect match for the paint color and a great balance from looks and also heat rejection. And it is the best heat blocking window film in this industry, which is why we use it here exclusively at Premier. So now, as far as the paint protection film is concerned, every single panel that we applied the PPF to is 100% custom installed so that it can be as seamless as possible.